Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank my subscribers, my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wonder should I subscribe? Yes, you should subscribe. Mr. Belle got some good videos out there. That's all you have to do. Stroll down. You see Mr. Belle has some of everything out there. You can cook in the Power XL and on the stove. Today, if you don't know how to subscribe, my new subscribers, viewer watchers, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments. Today I'll be air frying some tilapia. Today I'll be using a little olive oil, a little seasoned salt, black pepper, and salt. The reason why I use different kind of seasons and everything, because my kids don't use all different kind of seasons, so we had to cook this according to the kids too. So you can use any kind of season you want. You know, when you're cooking it in the Power XL, you can use your season what you want to use. So today I'll be air frying this right here and hope this come out real nice and everything and delicious, but I'm gonna move some of this stuff out the way so I can get started. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna season the backside first, just put a little of this seasoning on it and everything. Just put it just like that on both sides of it. Yeah. Have it nice and good and seasoned and everything. Put a little black pepper on it. Just like that. A little more. So I'm gonna raise the top up on the Power XL and I'm gonna just sit it in backside. Just like that. And then I'll season the front. Season the front side. You know, Mr. Belle, I take you step by step. I'm just going to season it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spread. Like that. And I'm going to close it. And I'm going to set it on air fry. Temperature 375. And I'm going to set the minutes. I'm going to start with 25 minutes. Start with 25 minutes and I'm going to press start. And I'm going to let that cook. It's been 6 minutes. We're going to take a sneak peek at it and see how it's coming out. Look like it's coming out pretty good. So I'm going to put the top down. And for all my first time viewers, while this is cooking, wash the dishes. Don't leave it for the spouse, don't leave it for the roommate, don't leave it for your friend or your kids. They might want something to eat and they might change their mind, wonder who's gonna wash the dishes. So wash the dishes as you cooking. That way everyone could be happy and enjoy the meal. Thank you. So we're gonna take a look at it and see how it's coming out. Look like it's coming out pretty good. And everything. Let's get the bottom so it don't stick too much. Put the top down, let it cook a little bit more before I flip it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna flip it over one time. As you see, just like that. Let it cook. Okay, we're gonna take a look at it and see how it's coming out. As you see, it's coming out nice and everything. So I'm gonna cut this off right there. Okay, we're gonna take another look at it and everything. This fish is done just about. As you see, looking nice and good. So this is done. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it out. So altogether it's been like 21 minutes. I'm gonna take this out. This is done. Take it out and sit it right there. I'm gonna cut cancel. This right here is your air fried tilapia, and that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell, and you will subscribe to Mr Belle Kitchen. Thank you. This right here make a good tilapia sandwich.